everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the fourth part to continue modeling this kitbash as shown here. So let me show you how to connect this cylinder with this kitbash piece as shown here. Switch to face select mode. Let's insert it just a little bit like this, and then insert it again because we need it later to make hole. So go over here, click on this menu, just make it and increase the thickness like this. So as shown here, I want to connect it. Let's see what we should do in this case. Let's select all these faces to delete them. Hit X to delete all those faces like this in order to avoid some shading issues and when connecting this piece to the other piece that I have hidden. So let's connect these two vertices. Select these two vertices like this. Hit F to fill them. Have to fill, then I'm going also to fill this face. Over here, select these four vertices as shown here. Hit F to fill it. Later I will add to cut through this section over here to connect it to this loop cut. Let's fill this face. Hit F to fill it. Just like this. Later will be slide this edge. Let's fill this face also. You have to fill it, then fill this face also. You have to fill. So I want to I think I should move this slide vertex aboard a little bit. In this case where we are, you should avoid, but some cases if there is no connection, like in this case, you can delete these two vertices. Delete and dissolve these two vertices and connect just one vertex, because we don't need to keep the shape of this circular section, circular piece. Also for this part, just to keep the shape of this circular part even in this place. So let's see what we should do in this case. I want to zoom in just a little bit and find the right solution, which is to merge at center. Hit M, merge at center like this. Select these two vertices, then hit F to fill. I want to fill this face like this, hit F, then go over here to hit F to fill this face. Then let's pivot around to also do it for the other part. Select these two vertices and merge at center, so select that vertex, then hit F to fill. I'm gonna be filling also these gaps, hitting F to fill. And also let's fill this gap, hit F to fill, in order to avoid some topology issues. Let's see what we should do in some cases. Let's hide this vertex, hit H to hide it. I want to delete the inner faces like this. So let's see, because later we'll got some crazy weird shapes due to shading issues. And as shown here in this corner, hit X to delete faces. Let's delete also these faces as shown here, because later we get bot topology. Hit X to delete those faces, just to leave it gap. And as shown here. So Alt H to bring it back. So we want to zoom in just a little bit. So move it, rotate it again, and want to fill all those faces. Select all those vertices surrounding this gap. Hit F to fill. Just we'll add. So let's add another loop cut over here. Going through this section in the middle. Ctrl R. Select these two vertices. Hit G to join them. Then rotate it on the other side. So hit G to join those vertices. I think it's not bad. We have a problem over here. We need to merge at center because you have this triangle. But we can't maintain the same. I think it doesn't really matter with this thing. Just let's leave it as it is. A to select all, Shift Enter calculate normals, M to merge by distance. I think it's not bad. Let's add some supported loop cuts. Ctrl R. Add supported loop cut over there. Ctrl R to add the supported loop cut. To this section, because I'm gonna be deleting that face at the center. And that's it for this part. Thanks for watching.